Hyper with the Tuesday video, and it's Tuesday the 17th of July. Okay, so here's a peek at 7716. I'll move the cursor around as well, that helps. So I think you've got a one wave there. This here looks like a beginning at 1, 2, 3. This is a very corrective move, maybe a 4, with a bit of doing and throwing in between. So possibly that's a 1, 2, another 1, 2 maybe, followed by this bigger decline. We need a new low here, see what happens at that point. This could of course be a 2 wave. I mean, various possibilities here, but certainly we are seeing the kind of action I was looking for already, a sell-off, a passive sell-off, leading the way to something a bit faster once the expiry is out of the way on Friday. Now turning to the DAX, this is a peak we're sort of calling it a wave 2, around 13,200 there. So we've got 5 waves down to here. So that's what I can get 1 of 3. Clear ABC up to here. So we can have a look at the pattern since then. Alright, since then we've got the clear 5 waves down again to here, and that's obvious. We had the ABC, we're now going sideways, so not terribly helpful really. It's just expiry week, you don't expect these kind of things this week. It doesn't really help the pattern at this point in time. Once you start to break down, that will give us some confirmation that perhaps this decline has begun. Looking at the Nasdaq, see a new peak, but currently inconclusive decline, so not much to really say on that, particularly at the moment. Now the Dow also is pretty quiet, not much happening. This is sort of typical expiry week stuff really. We're in the middle of summer as well, which doesn't really help matters necessarily. But although FTSE looks like it might want to go down, then I'm not seeing much else at the moment. Gold continues to dance around this trend line, resistance there, becomes support here. But this looks like an ABC, so, well, it could be a 1, 2, I suppose, 1, 2, 1, 2, but too early to say right now, so nothing to go on right now. Similar on silver. We have this low here, a bit of a spike, but it's again all fairly indifferent. If this starts to move ahead, that would be different, but right now, not much to go on. And finally, Bitcoin this morning. We discussed this being a 5-wave advance up to there. So it could be either 1 or an A. So this could be a B. It's looking a bit impulsive, as I've discussed already. But this looks quite encouraging. 1, 2, 3 coming in. So it looks like we're going to see new highs, I think. If that happens, then anything could happen. We've got this news about the ETF coming in. SEC approval is due on the 10th of August. It might be a refusal, of course, so I'm not correct to say it's definitely going to be approved. A lot of hope being built up on this, on the approval. It seems quite likely it will be approved. As I said before, if the institutions start buying into these things, they're going to have some control over the space. So if government wants to control Bitcoin, that's probably the best way they can do it. That may not be ideal from the freedoms point of view, but it should be very good for the price of the coins, I think. So I guess freedom has its price. Anyway, that's the rumour at the moment. 10th of August is the date, if I understand it. Could be a rejection, but I think, as with the futures last year, there's a fair chance that there will be approval. There's quite a lot of chance. There's a video on YouTube about how, I think it was uranium and gold, when futures came in, markets fell back quite sharply. When the ETF came in, a solid rally developed. So I'll try and dig it up and I'll post it in the WhatsApp room, as it's quite relevant to the Bitcoin case. But we're now seeing much happier pattern here. A good thrust through this resistance would certainly be encouraging. But there is, of course, the ABC Spectre. So we had a move here from 5775 up to 68. So just over $1,000 move here. The low was 61. So this suggests resistance would be around 7,100, 7,200. If that is then cleared, and it could be, seeing the pattern here, that we'll see 5 waves into 7172, suggesting an ABC decline. If we get more than that, that would be a warning sign. But there is some well, there are quite a few glimmers of hope on Bitcoin, I think. And I say this ETF news could be could mark the low. It has apparently done so in previous cases. Right, that's all for today. If you found it interesting and useful, I'll back report on Thursday morning. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.